In the previous few units, we covered data structures such as lists and dictionaries. Going forward, let us look at tuples and sets. Let us begin with tuples. In simple words, tuple is an immutable list. Similar to lists, a tuple can contain a heterogeneous sequence of elements, but it is not possible to append, edit, or remove any individual elements from a tuple. Syntax for tuple. Tuples are enclosed in parentheses, and the elements within them are separated by commas. You may pause the video and have a look at a few examples of tuples. What are the benefits of tuples? 1. They are faster than lists. 2. They protect your data against accidental changes. They are also useful in situations when you want to share a code or data without editing rights. 3. They can also be used as keys for dictionaries. We will dive deeper into tuples in the upcoming IPython notebook. This brings us to the next data structure in Python, known as a set. A set is an unordered collection with no duplicate elements. They are useful to create lists that hold only unique values, but a mutable one. That is, you can change the content of the set without changing its identity. Sets basically support the set theory of modern mathematics, put forward by the German mathematician Georg Cantor. The elements of a set can be anything like numbers, strings, or characters. You can even perform mathematical operations like set union, set intersection, or set difference amongst different data sets. You may pause the video and have a look at few of the examples. Sets are helpful when you are going through a huge dataset and want to analyze them using set operations. Syntax for sets. Curly braces, or the set function, can be used to create sets. You may pause the video and have a look at a few examples. More on this in the upcoming IPython notebook on tuples and sets. So, stay tuned.